What is a federal court order? A federal court order is a direction issued by a federal court. Generally, these orders are on matters incidental to a main proceeding. However, the order may also be the primary purpose of a proceeding. A variety of types of orders may be issued by the court based upon the underlying proceeding. Only a final order may be appealed. Court orders are issued throughout the proceeding. A basic federal court order is to set the date for a trial. Most orders are written and signed by the judge or a designated judge when a panel hears the case. Certain jurisdictions require that court orders be notarized. Judges will sometimes issue an order during a court proceeding. The order is then transcribed and included as part of the transcript of the day's proceeding. A federal court order issued within a courtroom is usually an interim order, which is used to manage parts of the trial itself. These orders might be temporary, in which case the final outcome of the case is normally the permanent order addressing the same issue. An example of a federal court order is a search warrant. It is an order granted by a judge that gives law enforcement officials the right to search either a person or a location for evidence. Any evidence found during this authorized search is kept by the law enforcement officials and may be used in the court proceeding. Law enforcement officials must follow proper court procedure in acquiring evidence in order for the evidence to be submitted in the trial. Federal appeals courts may issue a stay of execution, which means that the execution of the court order is temporarily suspended. This type of federal court order is used to stop an actual execution in a death penalty case, but this is not the primary use of this order. If a party appeals a lower court's decision, any judgment issued by the lower court is automatically suspended until the appeals process is complete. An injunction is a type of federal court order that might be issued to attempt to restore a situation where it was prior to a certain occurrence. In federal cases, this type of order might be used for copyright or trade secret violations. The party allegedly violating another's protected rights is told to stop taking whatever action it has been taking that violates the other party's rights. An injunction may be issued as either an interim order or a final order of the court.